So hello everyone, good afternoon. So today we are going to do a new chapter, and last Sunday I was unable to give my video because of some network issue. So today I'm giving the video, and also happy Raksha Bandhan. So today's chapter will be algorithm. Now what is algorithm? Algorithm is a very important. It is more important than sequences also. I hope everybody remembers the last class we did on sequences. So now what is this algorithm? Algorithm is a set of instruction given to the computer or an app, to complete a specific task. Okay, so see, the computer, as I told, is just a machine. You need to instruct it, it will give you the output. So the instruction giving session is called algorithm. So some examples are move forward, move backward, turn right, and turn left. Okay. Now over here you see these are the instructions which are given to a computer to maybe think if there's a character and the character should move to the right, so the programmer will give this. If the character has to move to the left, the programmer will give this. If the character has to move forward, it will give this. Like this is called the instructions. So now over here, I think one thing you all can see is this: pixels. Everywhere these are called pixels. Now if I go over here, and if I you see this whole canvas over here. This canvas, what you see is just a plain white canvas. But if we mega zoom it, it will be really small pixels. They are small grids. So so have you seen a graph paper? Okay, so in a graph paper or a graph sheet, you see there's first a big square, and in that big square there are small squares. In those small squares there are more small squares. Those in computer language is called pixels. Okay, so now when we go to our original activities, we will see that in the pixels place we can adjust the pixels. Now how? It can be 100 pixels, it can be 20 pixels, it can be 90 pixels, any number. Because if you put 90, it will come upon to a certain place. If you put 100, it will come upon to a certain place. It will walk only 100 pixels. It will not go to 102 pixels. Okay, so now as I've shown you everything, now let's move on to the activities. So this okay, so this is our first activity which we are doing. So this is, hi, I'm an artist. You can write the code to make me draw almost anything. Play with the blocks in the toolbox to see what they do. Okay, so these are the blocks. Now over here, can you see move forward? As I told you in my Jamboard, move forward. Look, move forward is there. And in move forward we have pixels. Okay, so let's just take one pixel. In this pixel, see, there's 100. We can make it more. Maybe we can make it 90. Let's run it. It's there. Okay, so it moves only till 90 pixels only. Okay, So what did it tell? You can do anything you want, okay? So I hope you know what is the meaning of repeat block. So what today we will do is we will practice all of the codes which is here. We'll put all of them together and see what art do we get. So let's start off with the move forward. So move forward by, maybe we'll put it to 200 pixels. We're just experimenting. Now turn right. Turn right, I was actually a bit wrong. Turn right. Turn right will not be, actually, oh sorry, so sorry. Turn right will not be actually pixels. It will be degrees. Okay. Just a second, sorry for that. Okay. Sorry for that. So it will be turn left and turn right. Both will be degrees. Okay. So I have to turn right. So now these degrees can be only the range which is given. Okay, we have this circular pendulum kind of thing here. So we can move it how much as we want. Maybe I'll put it over here. So this is 120. Let's take turn left. This also let's take in 120. Now we have jump forward. Over we have, here we have 100. Let's make it 30. Next we have set color. So I'll just tell you, this set color means this will set your color to the specific color you have put. It will set your pen color. So let's put in the first. So this red, maybe we'll change it to blue. Or we can put set color random color. Random color means it can be anything, any color. So maybe I'll remove this set color, this one, and I'll leave it here. The next time we'll use that. So set color random color. Then we have repeat 4 times, which means we can repeat this code. Maybe we'll repeat it 4 times. Let's run and see. Okay, can you see it does not make any sense? It is just a straight line going, and it's going too far. So now let's make a proper shape. So we are going to make a simple triangle. So if this is over here, it needs to move forward. So let's see what is 100 pixels. That is enough for a triangle base. Okay, move forward, and then so this part of the triangle is done. So we are hoping for this. Okay, and we have finished this part. Okay, so now we need to do this and this part. Let's do this. So now if we again take a move forward, and let's see what happens. See, it continues and continues. So move forward now. So let's see, it's over here. So it needs to turn. This, if it needs to turn like this, what does it mean? So a clock goes like this: 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, again 12. So when it has to turn right, it means it's clockwise. So this is a clock system. And when this is there, that means it's left. It's anti-clockwise. So it needs to turn like this. So let's experiment. Let's put a turn right and let's see what happens. That means turn right is not the correct angle. Okay. So let's run it again. Okay. So now let's put another move forward. Now you see over here it's 90 degrees. How do we find out that this is the correct angle or not? So whatever shape or anything. Okay, so let's take a circle. What does it have? 360 degrees. 360 degrees is the maximum we are going to take. Okay, so a triangle has 3 sides. Okay, 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides. So what do we need to do? 360 divided by 3. 360 divided by 3. Okay, so okay. So that is how you take out. Okay, so 360 divided by 3, we have got 120. So for my calculation, actually I have got 120. So let's just check it once with the calculator. Divided by 3. Okay, yes, 120. My calculation was right. So 360 divided by 3, we get 120. That is how you do it. So 360 divided by the sides of a shape. And if it is a circle which you need to make, that time you need to use 360 degrees because a circle has 360 degrees only. So now let's see. Okay, so now sorry for that. This part is done. This part is done. Now this part. So for that also we need to turn. So let's just take turn right. We'll have to turn right and again move forward. Okay. So turn left maybe. So over here, see, if you put 120 degree, 190 degree, it makes a very big difference. 120 will be this, 90 will be this. Okay, so 120 and 90, not even close. So this I'll make it to 120 again. Okay, so now let's put it to set color, random color. So now you see there's a lot of blocks jumbled over here. So what do we have? Move forward, turn left. Move forward, turn left. Move forward. So this is repeating. So we can just remove this. We can put these and we need to repeat it for more 3 times. 3 times. So let's put it to 3. See, even if I don't put these blocks, still I get the same output only. Okay, so this is how you'll make. So let's go for the challenge puzzle. The challenge is this tag is a special one. Can you figure out how to draw the outline? The long side is 150 pixels and each of the short sides are 75 pixels. Okay, so I'll make you understand this. Can you figure out how to draw the outline? So you have to figure out how will you draw the outline of this tag. So first, some of the instruction is given. The long side means this side is 150 pixels and each of the short sides, this and this side, is 75 pixels. So as it is here, let's put it to move forward. and it's 150 pixels. Okay, so then let's see if it has done it. Yes. So now it needs to turn, and it's 75. So as let's see 360, and how many sides do we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 360 divided by 6, 60. So we'll put it to turn right by 60 degrees. Let's see if we have 60, if we can put 60 degrees, or else as we don't have 60 degrees, we have to put this only. Now another move forward. So the short side is 75 pixels. So that means it needs to come this way. So let's put it to 120. So it'll have an arch. Okay. So that means if you put the biggest value, it will be arched. It will have a diagonal way, but it will be this side. But if you put the lowest one, it will have an arch and it will be the next side. Okay. So as it is here, we need to still turn. Okay. 45. This will be right. So move forward. So what is missing over here? The pixels. We should not ever forget the pixels. Something is maybe wrong over here, but it should not be, because this is 150, this is 75, and this is also 75. Let's try with 150 again. This thing is... So if you're not getting the right thing, what you can do is you can try it again and again with different kind of arches, different kind of degrees. Okay, like I didn't get it, you can use it by different type of pixels and sizes. So now it needs to turn right. So I'm gonna put a move forward. This will be 150. Let's run it. It will be turn left. Something is going a bit wrong. Okay. Something is wrong with the turn right. Okay, so it should be 45. So turn right. 45. Move forward 75. Okay. 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 So now another turn right of 45 degrees and move forward of 75 degrees. Okay, so this maybe I'll put it to 90 degrees. Okay, so our tag is completed. So yes, so we have completed today's challenge puzzle plus our normal activity. So let's go for the revision time. Okay. Okay. This is our revision time now. So coding revision, okay. So this I hope I don't have to revise. So this is the last class, sequences. Sequences is very important as everything needs to be in an order. Algorithm. Algorithm is a set of instructions set to complete a task, completed 2 activities. Okay. So now we have completed everything. So I'll meet everybody in the next class, and for now bye. And if you have any queries, please write it in the comment section. I'll put as always a resource material in the description. Check it. So bye.